Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? It is audible now. Anybody tell me in a chat box? Yeah. These are demo classes. Just observe it enough. Yesterday, small concept I am telling. Anybody not attending also just observe it enough. Oracle. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This 19C is a version number. What type of product this one? Database product. Once we are installing database products, either Oracle or SQL Server or DB2, Sybase, Informix, these type of softwares, observe here, these database softwares we are installing in your system, then automatically some place is reserved in a disk that is called database. What is the purpose of these database softwares? Means to store data permanently. Not only storing a data, once storing a data, then processing a data, then we are manipulating a data, then we are fetching a data efficiently. So many things are there, don't worry. But unfortunately, these database softwares only stores Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, Informix. These type of Teradata, these type of databases stores only structured collection of data. Yesterday I told no, yeah, structured collection of data means like a table format only data is there. Yes, table format only data is there. Suppose bank is a table. In this database, table format only data is there. Here account number, name of the account holder and balance. These are the columns. Again, these are rows. 1001 Murali 2000, 1002 ABC 3000, 1003 XYZ 1000. These are called rows. This account number and the name and balance is called columns. In this account number column only stores numbers. In this name column only stores strings. In this balance column only stores a number. That's why this is a structured manner, a proper manner it will be storing a data. Now I am also, you are also company side. We are operating this data. We are managing this data means some language is required. What is that language? SQL is a language. Suppose this is a bank is there, for example, Murali is an account holder. Balance is how much? 2000. Suppose now I am an account holder, Murali, my name only. I am okay depositing a what some amount. Whenever I am depositing some amount, okay, in a deposit machine, I am putting a what some amount and then press deposit button. Then automatically amount will be credited into where this balance. How it is possible means whenever you are pressing about that button, automatically SQL language command is executed here. Same like you only, some software engineers writing already predefined coding is there. Update like this. Update machine. Update table name. Set balance is equal to balance plus existing as balance plus anything. Suppose 1000 rupees I'm credited, okay, into that account number means where name is equal to Murali. Some coding is there, ampersand, so many things are there, don't worry. Just roughly observe it here. Whenever they are writing this coding, then automatically what happened? Now observe it here, yes. Now 3000. In a previous case, 2000 is there. Just I'm typing a what some command only, okay. Yeah, software developers writing this coding. Now end user doesn't know this coding. This type of coding is called SQL language. SQL language. SQL language. SQL language. That's why if you want to operate a data in Oracle database, then we are using a what? Which language? SQL language. Up to that one we are discussing yesterday. Yesterday, what I am telling, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, automatically some places created. If you want to operate that SQL language, or if you want to operate data in that database, Oracle database, then we are using one language is SQL, another one is PLSQL. SQL means same like English type language only. That is a non-procedural language. Insert, update, delete, select, these commands are there. PLSQL means a little bit of coding is there. Procedural language extension for SQL. These two languages through we are operating a data in a where? This database. Okay, up to this one, yesterday we are discussing. But unfortunately, nowadays, you are a latest programmer. In a 2024, most of the programmers in a 2022 or 2022, 2023, a recent period also, so many fellows are interested to learn what databases. Why? Because reason is there. In a future technologies like AI, that is difficult really. Compared to where other technologies, AI is the most powerful, but that is a little bit of difficult only because machine learning, okay, some Python language, so much of knowledge is required. Proper lecturers also not there, but future generation, this one in a worldwide. Next, another type of generation means, observe it here, another type of technology, data science or data analytics. This is database related. This is easy compared to where, yes, AI. That's why nowadays, so many fellows are in a worldwide, they're interested to learn any database first. Either they want to settle in a future data analytics because all developers are not good at programming skills only. That's why database related means very easy compared to where programmatic guys. Data analytics, they want to settle. Otherwise, data science, they want to settle. Then these type of databases knowledge is required. One is databases, another one is AI. These two only in a future. Nowadays, anybody working professionals are there in your relatives in a US or UK or anywhere in the worldwide. You have to check it out. They are recommendable either AI or data related courses, that the data science or data analytics, data bricks, anything else. That's why so many fellows are nowadays they are interested to learn at least any database, either Oracle or SQL Server or MySQL or anything. What type of jobs are there today? I will tell you, don't worry. Now here, actually SQL is a language, there is a non-procedure language, insert, update, delete, everyone knows. But why we are learning a PLSQL? Some fellows are asked. Murali sir, just a little bit of coding is there, procedure language extension for SQL is there. Why we are learning what this language means? This language also most powerful. Why means so many application side this language we are using. Suppose, for example, nowadays trending software jobs are there. Suppose so many years onwards, 10 years back onwards, if you want to settle as a web developer, compulsory you are learning what? Most of the job opportunities are there, web developer side. Either Java you are learning, otherwise .NET you are learning, otherwise PHP you are learning, otherwise Python you are learning. These courses front-end is required. Most of the business scenarios are web-based applications, 70% of the case. In that case, compulsory minimum knowledge in a database is required. Minimum knowledge in a database, compulsory. In that case, especially which concept they want to learn means in a database means they are using in a web development project side. Suppose anybody Java developers are there in our class, the well-known persons within a database, stored procedure is a concept is there. 100% they are using. 100%. Mandatory nowadays. Now here, that's why here PLSQL also important only. Procedure language extension for SQL important. Why means, suppose for example, you are a first time newcomer without any knowledge, web-based application also you don't have an idea, means through this small diagram easily understandable. Suppose for example, observe it here, concentrate here, very easy. You are also interested to purchase a what? Any items through online shopping portal. Nowadays, anybody is also booking item. Suppose today I am interested to purchase a one item. I'm opening a what? www.amazon.com or flipkart.com, for example. Whenever I'm opening a what? Yes, these type of online shopping portal I'm opening. For example, I'm opening this website, okay. Whenever I'm opening a what? This website means just here it is connect to the where? Connect to the where? Very good. Web server. This browser is connected to the where? Web server. Web server is a huge concept only, maybe Java, .NET, Python, these type of PHP, these type of programmers are well-known persons. But web servers does not store large amount of data. If you want to store data in this web application side means always the web server connect to the where? Database servers. This entire architecture everyone knows no, roughly. Okay. Database server means Oracle, SQL server, DB2, Sybase like this. These are databases. Suppose in a Oracle database, for example, okay, just after. In these databases only, relational databases only. For example, so many tables are there. Just roughly, I'm telling only. These type of online shopping portal application side, order master table is there. 1 minute of your YPL SQL programmers are required means I will tell. Order master table is there, for example. In this one here, order number is available. Just roughly observe here, order number, order date, otherwise item name, price, quantity. So many details are available. For example, roughly observe here. This order number, okay, so now here they are declaring as a what? Primary key. Don't worry what is primary key or anything. Just observe your table format, the data is storing. Okay, now observe here. Check it out, slowly observe here. Suppose I am a customer. I don't know web server, I don't know Oracle database, SQL server database, MySQL database. Really, we don't know. But unfortunately, I am a end user, customer. I'm interested to purchase a one item today. I'm opening a what? www.flipkart.com, for example. I'm booking a what? One item, for example, based on my requirement. Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me now? Some network problem occurred, automatically disconnected. Don't worry. Sometimes like that. Hello, hello, hello. Now it is audible. Can you hear me? Anybody tell me? Yeah. 1 minute observe it fastly. I will tell you. Now here, observe here. Suppose whenever I try to, so now here connect to the where in a server, but a customer doesn't know anything. Just observe here www.flipkart.com. I'm typing a what in my vocational laptop, otherwise in a mobile. Whenever I'm interested to booking a what one item means what happened. Observe here. This is with this web browser connect to the web server. Entire architecture. No, this one. Okay, na yeah. Web server. Here, this web server does not store large amount of data. That's why this web server connect to the where database server. Already I told no. Yeah. Now check it out. This is a Oracle database, SQL Server database, MySQL database, anything. Okay, they are using only okay in a real-time application side. Now here, suppose for example, in this okay online shopping portal side, so many tables are there. One of the table I'm writing. Order master is a table. For example, that is you don't have an idea also. Order number, here order date, item name, here price, quantity, so many details are available. Their table format only data is there. But this order number side, always, there is a primary key they're declaring. Don't worry what is primary key. Now check it out. Suppose I am a customer, I'm interested to booking a what one item, for example. Whenever I'm booking a what one item today, that web browser come to the where web server come to the where this database server. Now automatically this order number is generated. Suppose whenever you are booking a item, okay, automatically order number is in your parcel also. After booking only, so dispatch that item means that order number based or not. Yes, observe here. Order number 1001, for example, item name something only, price something only. Okay, it will be storing here. Now check it out. Again, maybe worldwide so many customers are there. Another customer also, yeah, same website he is opening. Same, maybe unfortunately, same item he is interested to purchase. He is also booking about same item, for example. Whenever same item is booking me, same website through, yes, this web browser come to the web server come to the database server, then automatically another location of your order number is generated because order numbers are different or not. Yes, here. Now item name is same and price also may be different or same, I don't know. Now here based on the discount. Again, another fellow also opening a what same website. So now and also is maybe okay, he's also booking about same item. Then where automatically this web browser connect to the web server connect to the where the database server. In this case, automatically another order number generated. Okay, order number is different, but item name is what same and price is different or same. Okay, based on the discount. Okay, based on the requirement. Okay, observe it here. Now check it out. In this case, you are observing or not, these order numbers are automatically how it will be generated means same like you only some software engineers in a Oracle projects means auto increment is a concept they are writing in a PLSQL coding. Here they are writing a coding only PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL, compulsory they are writing. PLSQL coding only they are writing. That is auto increment concept. For example, anybody PLSQL they are good means triggers is a concept is there, that one. And also SQL side sequence is a concept is there. Those two combination they are writing. That's why PLSQL developers also required in a where in a project side. Not only that scenario, so many scenarios are there, but just first time newcomer awareness purpose. Suppose another example means suppose here you are going to bank, for example, and now check it out. Observe here, 1 minute only. Now here, this is a bank table is there. For example, here this is a bank table is there. I am a account holder. I am a account holder. Murali means how much balance is there presently? Presently, how much balance is there? 3,000 rupees are there. Today, I mentally decided to withdraw 5,000 rupees, for example. But my account, how much balance is there? 3,000 rupees presently. Observe it here. Suppose in this case, I'm going to ATM machine. Okay, ATM center, anything, SBI ATM or anything. So now ATM machine is there, for example. Now here I'm not, unfortunately I'm not checking about balance. Today I'm decided to withdraw 5,000 rupees, for example. Now I'm inserting a what ATM card. Now so many options it will be asking. One of these days PIN number also I'm typing only. Okay, yes, some PIN number I'm typing. Okay, encrypted form. Then last only enter amount it will be asking. But suppose for example I'm not checking a what balance. But I am not checking a what balance. 3,000 rupees are there. I am not checking also. I decided to withdraw which one? 5,000 rupees. Suppose enter amount, it will be asking a message means then I am typing a what 5,000 like this. Now I am getting a 5,000 rupees. No, impossible. It will give us a message, error message only. Insufficient funds. Okay, na? Yeah. How it is possible means how it is possible? How ATM machine knows what? Yes, you are trying to fetching a what more amount than they were available balance means here same like you, some software engineers are writing a what? Writing a what? So now if you're writing a what? Coding only. And now you're coding, they're writing only. In that coding, suppose Oracle project side, how they are writing a coding means here PLSQL side, they're writing a coding. Now how they are writing stored procedure as a concept is there through that one if conditions they are writing. If user entered okay account number, that will be ATM with okay ATM card with vocation of scanning, so many things are there. If yes, user entered amount is less than they were, more than they were, available balance. Okay, na? Yeah. Then raise underscore application underscore error message. Okay, don't worry, that is exception message. Here, insufficient funds. Okay, anything, just observe here. This is the message, whatever I am typing only, that is displayed. Otherwise, else part here, update, delete, anything also I am writing a coding only. That's why always this here also PLSQL developers are required or not. Some coding is required. Without writing a coding, impossible. That's why observe there is not a difficult coding, very easy coding only. Okay, na? That's why always not only SQL language, PLSQL procedure language extension for SQL also better to know. So now here, suppose PLSQL jobs also there. Okay, fine. Now check it out. Suppose you are a first time newcomer. Murali sir, okay, we are learning a what at this course only. So many fellows are typing like that in a chat box only. Murali sir, I am learning a course Oracle. But what type of jobs I am applying only? Any experience jobs are there, any fresher level jobs are there, any okay, so now front end related, some tools jobs are there. I'm confusing only, they are telling. Then I'm telling a what now today, what type of jobs are available once you are learning a what this course means. Development side, I will tell you now. First observe it here, screen observe it, very, very important. According to my experience, I'm telling only, don't write it anything, just observe it here. According to my experience. Somebody is again advanced also there. Okay, observe here. What type of jobs are available in a market, in a worldwide, not in a India, in a worldwide market only I will tell you. First job, who are learning what this course in a Oracle course means most of the time, who are learning, who are passed out in a 2024 or 2023 also, based on the decision, so much of less jobs, in a previous case. That's why 2023 also fresher and 2024 also freshers level. Now these type of persons, pass outs persons are, most of the persons are interested to learn what front end application because more job opportunities are there. That is, maybe some fellows are interested to learn Java, maybe coding they are interested. Some fellows are interested to learn what .NET. Some fellows are interested to learn what Python. Some fellows are interested to learn a PHP. Like this type of web-based technologies, they are interested to learn most of the time. Maybe 80% of the case also. When a worldwide programmers recently passed out pressure level. Because so many opportunities are there in a company also, this will be there. That's why maybe so many fellows are interested to learn like that. Now check it out. These languages, most of the time, what is the purpose? To implement a what? Web-based applications. Web-based applications implementation purpose, these software languages are helpful, really. In that case, 100% they are learning what? Basic SQL. Basic SQL, compulsory. Without SQL knowledge, either Oracle SQL or SQL Server SQL, MySQL SQL, your own wish. Compulsory they are learning. That's why anybody attending an interview in a Java full stack developer, .NET full stack developer, latest full stack, no? Yeah, Python, PHP means write a query to display nth highest salary employee, write a query to delete duplicate rows from a table, write a query to display second highest salary employee. Why they are asking is there is a minimum knowledge in a basic. Through the interview questions, through also they're checking. You are able to prepare properly, you are able to write a word properly, that queries or anything. They're checking only. That's why those are predefined queries also still they are asking in every interview side only. That is related to SQL. And also they are learning about a web-based application programmers always sending a data from database into where front end to where database is required, really web-based application side. In that case, stored procedures is a knowledge is required. But how we are learning about stored procedure means just basic PLSQL they are learning only, basic enough. Okay, na? Yes, that's why here compulsory these type of web-based application programmers they are learning about basic SQL and PLSQL. Little bit of knowledge is there enough. That is mandatory really. Next, another type of programmers. What type of programmers are learning about interested to learning at this Oracle development course in a worldwide means. Suppose some fellows are passed out in a 2021, still they are unable to get, maybe any reason, Christian side. Maybe 2022, some fellows are passed out. These persons are maybe so many year gap is there. They are not interested in aware coding. But a little bit of coding knowledge is there, those persons, but they are not interested. Okay, maybe. So now here, yes, so many fellows are not interested in Java full stack, Python full stack, that much of coding, they are not interested. Those persons, more gap is there, no? 3+ years gap is there, or 2 years gap is there, like that. In that case, those persons are interested to learn what? Yes, here PLSQL. Why? Because some other type of jobs are there. Gap is there, then other type of jobs are there. Security jobs only. PLSQL developer jobs. In a Google, you have to type it. PLSQL developer job means you are understandable how much. So now opportunities are there. You have to check it out. These persons also who are interested to apply PLSQL developer job, those persons also interested to learn about this Oracle course. Observe here, these persons learning SQL plus strong PLSQL or basic PLSQL also enough. SQL PLSQL languages required. Not only this one, shell script is there more advantage, but basic Unix commands are there more advantage. That is not a mandatory, better. Now, that's why these type of programmers are not interested to learn what in a front-end language not required. Suppose in a React JS, they doesn't want, okay, in a ASP.NET, that doesn't want anything. Only database knowledge is enough. But a gap is required 2 years, 3 years. Those persons only learning about this course. Again, another type of developers who are interested to settle in a way data analytics, very interesting nowadays. Latest trending jobs, business analytics, data analytics. These type of job side, business analyst only, data analytics only. These type of jobs are available in a worldwide. In a net, you are typing means you are understandable. These persons also interested to learn about basic SQL, basic. Advanced also not required. Subquery, joins, constraint, these type of things are enough. Remaining what is what enough. Basic SQL plus PLSQL not required. Here, some tools they are learning only. This data analytics programmer. Actually, in this case, what are the tools are available means, anybody having idea? In outside market only worldwide, Power BI is the latest trending tool, reporting tool, this one. Power BI in a 1 year back, so many opportunities are there, but now little bit of less jobs only. Okay, don't worry, based on the trending. Okay, Power BI, but Power BI anybody reporting tool, this is a reporting tool only. This tool, GUI tool you are learning means you are interested to learn about, better to learn about SQL Server compared to Oracle course. I am preferring about SQL Server because there is a Microsoft product. This is a reporting tool. This tool based only so many fellows are getting a job. Otherwise, Power BI programmer is better to go for SQL Server. Okay, not our class. Okay, again, some fellows are interested to learn Tab View. Tab view is a tool. Yes, this is a Oracle tab view tool, reporting tool. Very easy. So many jobs are there. Again, another one is what? A quick view is a tool. Quick view is a tool. Another one is what? BOS is a tool. OBI is a tool. So like this only. These type of, so now your courses they are learning means maybe they are settled as a what? A data analytics programmer. There is a windowing functions are required. Okay. Power BI is a what? That is a tool, GUI tool, graphical user interface tool, data warehousing technology side. That is SQL server is a backend is better compared to Oracle. Okay, yeah. These are basic SQL enough, and these tools, any tools, latest tools they are learning means the business analyst or data analytics programmer, they are settled in a company side. Now, other type of programmer means anybody have an idea? ETL programmer. ETL. Suppose actually company side data warehousing is a technology is there. Maybe some fellows having idea, I think data warehousing technology is there. Data warehousing. Don't afraid only. These are all technologies actually. Suppose in a data warehousing project side, resources are there, either different databases resources there. And these all resource data we are fetching and store it into where some staging area. This is called staging area or data warehouse. This is historical data we are storing. Suppose who is the best player in a where in a cricket. Okay, you want to know means just you have to recollect what previous years history. Historical data you want to store. What is the highest score of the wear? Okay, so average score of the wear in each matches, how many number of matches are there with the one cricket player playing only in a worldwide comparison. Okay, yeah. In that case, historical data storing is required. Where historical data storing means staging area is there. Staging area is there. In this one company side, yes, you are fetching a data from different database or flat file into database, anything also. Yes, these all the data they are extracting and transforming and loading and store it into where this area. Some programmers are required. This is called ETL programmer. Big concept observed here: extraction, transformation, and loading. In this case, ETL tool programmers required only in this case. That is not a okay, big coding, little bit of coding. So much of salary jobs are there in a worldwide. These type of persons also learning what this course, Oracle course, ETL developers, extraction, transformation, loading, data warehousing side, ETL developers. These developers are interested to learn what basic SQL is enough, query writing and all these things. Plus, in a ETL tool, in a one tool, they are learning only. Okay, yeah, maybe yes, they have an idea. Latest trending ETL tool is what? Anybody have an idea? Informatica. Informatica. So many fellows are in a worldwide Informatica tool. They are learning only. They are working in a US or UK or India or anywhere. And now here, observe it here. Otherwise, latest tool compared to Informatica also, Talent is a reporting tool. Sorry, ETL tool is there. Talent tool. Through these tools also, they are getting a want jobs. In that case also, basic SQL enough because most of the time compared to working job interview side, this is required because what is index, what is partition, what is the queries they are asking only because minimum knowledge is there in a basic SQL or not, they are checking. Now, those persons also interested to learn a basic SQL, PL SQL not required, PL SQL stored procedure, they are learning enough. Next, another type of jobs programmer. Suppose some fellows are telling, Murali sir, I don't want any coding, I don't want these type of reporting tool, these type of ETL tools also I don't want. Why? Because I'm struggling with BTech passed out or anything passed out also. Okay, after marriage, okay, 5 years, 6 years gap is there. That's why I am not interested to learn this coding related jobs, these tools related jobs. I'm not interested. Very easiest job I want, they're asking. In that case, best job means in a worldwide, everyone knows which one? Testing tool. Anybody have an idea? Testing tools. Any testing tools course you are learning means in that case manual testing they are telling and also Automation testing, they are telling. Manual testing is enough actually. Automation, very rare cases come. Some companies are using only either QTP is a olden days automation testing. But nowadays automation testing is what Selenium is there. No? Yeah, that one. But manual testing only starting joint employee working only. These persons also basic, little bit of basic, not only okay, so normal basic only, little bit of basic SQL knowledge is required. Because at least either SQL Server SQL or Oracle SQL or MySQL SQL, anything you are learning also not a problem in that case. Because interview point of view important really. In a project side also database testing is there, but that much of professionals are not required. At least testing tools programmers side who are settled means little bit of basic SQL is required. Those persons also learning about this course. Again, another type of programmers in my experience based only. Suppose any pharmacy students are there, B pharmacy, B Pharm, M Pharm. These type of pharmacy students also interested to settle in a software side, maybe salary reason side or anything. Okay, reasons I am not telling. Okay, yeah. Those persons, one course is there. What is that course? Anybody have an idea? SAS. SAS, not a SAP. SAP means that is a MCA, BTech, this type of programmers related. This SAS only. In this SAS clinical is there. In that case, compulsory they are learning about SQL language and basic PLSQL also they are learning. Basic PLSQL. PLSQL also required. Like same PLSQL concepts only there in that language. Stored procedure, exceptions, triggers, packages like this only. Cursors, okay, yeah. Basic enough. And now those persons also interested to learn that one. Suppose another difficult job is there in a worldwide, Oracle ERP is there. That is maybe olden days programmers, they are working only latest programmers, very little bit of, because outside they are not learning properly. But companies providing a training only in a precious level they are selecting, and so many requirements are there. That is Oracle apps 11i, that is ERP. This is a ERP only. Maybe anybody have an idea? ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. SAP ERP is there, no? Same like Oracle Apps 11 is there. Those persons are SQL language they are learning, and plus strong PLSQL, not a weak, strong PLSQL knowledge is required. That's why who are good at what PLSQL, those persons only later they're shifting into high salary package purpose Oracle Apps. But Oracle Apps difficult. Why? Because why I'm telling you what difficult means. So now here always front-end language, another thing is required. D2K developer 2000, you must familiar. SQL language you must familiar. Strong PLSQL advanced, all concepts are required. Okay, so now again NA, HRMS, AP, AR, GL, that functional modules, little bit of knowledge is required. But still olden days, so many programmers are available still. Again, Oracle apps projects also is available in a worldwide market. But latest programmers not interested because little bit of difficult coding really. And now, suppose another type of persons, what is that one means? So now here, SAP, SAP. SAP means ERP, that is also SAP ERP is there. Those persons are not required to learn what so much of Oracle or SQL Server, MySQL. Only basic, low level basic SQL knowledge is required. Any SQL knowledge is required enough. Next, another type of programmers are learning what this course means. Hadoop, big data programmers. Big data programmers are there, that is Hadoop. These type of programmers are who are working means those persons also basic SQL knowledge is required. Again, another type of programmers who are learning what this course means. Actually, in a latest trending programming languages is full stack developer. In that full stack developers in a US crazy jobs only the vocation of in a last 3 or 4 years onwards. So full stack developers Full stack developers means so many opportunities are there. Either Java full stack developer, either Python full stack developer, or .NET full stack developers. Yes, these persons also, yes, a basic SQL knowledge is required. But in that course only they are telling. But more depth they want to learn means separate professional specs. Better to learn. Okay, and these type of persons also learning about this course. Again, another type of yes developer means database administrator. But these persons are settled as a Oracle DBA, SQL Server DBA, okay, any DBA programmers. But my point of view, those persons are not interested to learn separately. In their course only, yes, SQL language, they are telling enough. PLSQL also not required. PLSQL set triggers their learning is enough. That's why these type of different types of jobs are there. That's why based on your requirement, you are utilize your knowledge. Suppose some fellows are half of the classes they are attending only, maybe in a previous students I'm observing only some sub queries they want, some fellows are joins they want, and PLS stored procedure they are listening only, their jump. Okay, the remaining video classes they are observing only, they are getting a jobs. Yes, possible. Why? Because maybe those are Java developers, package students only. They want that one only enough. All the things they are not interested to learn because time waste, because they are focusing on the Java means so much of subject is there. That's why I'm telling you these type of so many jobs are there means based on your requirement, utilize that knowledge. Suppose you are a Java developer. Yes, then in Google you have to search in a Java professional side which database related concept is required. I will tell you all the concepts, but which important concepts are there interview point of view. First interview point of view. Then only subject oriented, then only occasion or task oriented means in a real time application side based on your project you are learning. Don't worry about that one, because software job means always teamwork. They're dividing a task into a number of persons, group of persons, everyone knows. Then they're sharing the work only. A little bit of knowledge is there, you're manageable. Yes, not a problem. But sometimes pressure is there, that is different. Okay, yeah. That's why based on the type of job only, your knowledge is okay, you are improving so based on the Google or based on the lecturers or anything at that time also not a problem. But first of all, don't afraid of the where software job only. So many people are coding that one, this one, okay, they're afraid. Don't afraid. Based on the project scenario, sometimes a little bit of coding is there, sometimes less coding is there, sometimes shifts are there, sometimes more sharing is there, flexibility is there. So much of different. Who knows which type of project is available? That's why based on your requirement, first you are mentally, your responsibility is confidence level is important, and based on your requirement, you have to decide it. These concepts are related to Java. That's why I am interested to focus on these concepts enough. Because my recorded videos are there or anything, maybe management will send out those things, you are concentrating enough. Suppose I am a ETL developer, which one I am concentrating? I am a Python developer, which one I am concentrating? Suppose I am a PLSQL developer, I want to settle. Yes, I am telling my nodes, so many fellows are purchasing these nodes through also they are getting a jobs. Okay, because that much of easy, slowly, maybe what is what more patience is there, they are learning one by one means, yes, possible. That's why I'm telling you different types of jobs are available based on your requirement. You have to decide it mentally. Okay, so now which type of job side, which type of concept is required here? This is a web-based application side, PLSQL developer side, ETL developer side, this type of tools, reporting developer side. Okay, apps developer side, cloud ERP also there, Oracle cloud also there. I'm forgetting that too. Okay, cloud ERP side, data science side, testing tool side, SAP HANA is there in that one also. So views they are using only SQL language side. These all the things, these type of jobs are available. Okay, yeah, understood this one. This small demo class. Another demo also tomorrow, and also another one I am telling. Then onwards we are starting a classes, because first time no, because yesterday some people are telling fastly, more are telling. Okay, slowly I am telling today. That's why. Okay, yeah. Understood. Anybody having any doubts, means please ask me in a chat box. Maybe some package students are there. Maybe some fellows are separately learning that one. Some fellows are different type of jobs purpose also there. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. Because you are a first time newcomer, I think, learning this subject. I'm so experienced person. Whatever your doubts are there, I'll tell you. Notes I'm providing up to some stage, okay? Because first time, no, first time some fellows are installation, they doesn't have an idea, but properly how interacting, they doesn't have an idea. That's why first initial stage, maybe 10 or 15 days side, I'm telling notes. Later not required, I think. Some fellows are some classes, totally they are writing a notes. Some fellows are not required. Firstly tell me they are telling only. Okay, based on your requirement. Okay, yeah. 7 p.m. class is there, but in that one, sub queries are going on. A course completion certificate means management. You have to ask management only. Okay. A PLSQL means PLSQL job market is a what? Security job. Okay. Yeah. How long this course take to complete? One fellow is asking. Very good. Okay. 3.5 months. Okay. Yeah. But parallelly also sometimes you are attending, because that is there is no excuse choice. Why? Because 1 hour means maybe less time. Okay, yeah, that's why you are mentally decided. Okay, parallelly some other time also I will tell you. Okay, one of these days after good knowledge is there, then okay, yeah, don't worry. But practice is required. Which database is good? Some fellows are asking. That is, I am not telling. Why? Because based on the requirement, you have to decide it. Companies also decided like this. Suppose I'm a Microsoft programmer, means my .NET project means I'm preferring a what? Sorry, client preferring a what? SQL Server. Suppose I'm a Java programmer, means client always preferring a what? Oracle or MySQL, like that. Most of the 80% of the case, Oracle. Remaining 20% of the case, remaining all the database softwares. Okay, yeah. Everywhere also database required. Without databases, there is no applications. That's why so many fellows are professional way they are learning nowadays, because 2 hours class is later. Don't worry. Yeah. One of the stage PLS will parallel you are attending. Yeah. One fellow is asking, Murali sir, apart from Oracle, is there anything required to learn to land a job? Suppose you are you have experience, is there strong knowledge is there in Oracle, means any tools are not required. PLSQL developer you are applying. Suppose you don't want coding, PLSQL also means SQL language plus any other tool you have to learn it. GUI tools are there, reporting tools are ETL tools, better. Okay, in a gap 1 year is there. Otherwise, I am very good knowledge in a SQL language also, jobs are there. But SQL language query writing is required, practice is required. Because who are strong knowledge is there in SQL, so many jobs. Maybe you have to check it out in a LinkedIn profile side also. But always knowledge is important in this. And also searching jobs also very important. Network also important. Because with these type of regional side means where the job opportunities are there, you have to find out is the most difficult task. Okay, yeah. One fellow is asking, Murali sir, are you learning what any tools like SQL developer, PLSQL developer? Told not required, but that those tools only project side we are working. I will tell you. Suppose here one of these days once we are starting a what course means some tools are there very good. Okay, 1 minute observe here. One fellow is asking. 1 minute, 1 minute. Just here observe screen observe it. Here some tools are there, not only SQL plus. Here Toad is a tool, SQL developer is a tool, PLSQL developer tool, SQL now getting a real-time GUI tools they are using client server architecture side. One of the stage you are understandable, don't worry. What is those all the things? So once we are starting a subject, I will tell you. Okay. Na? Thank you so much for attending this small demo class. Tomorrow I will tell you. Okay. Vijay, okay, don't join in at 7 p.m. because already 7 p.m. means sub queries are okay, going on. So much of syllabus completed. Sub queries also ending sub queries are there because that is important chapter actually.